Hi, I'm Sarah Potempa. I'm a celebrity hairdresser, and I'm going to show you how to get volume in your hair. So if your hair is flat and fine, these are the tips and tricks you need to get gorgeous volume in your hair. Then the next step when you get out of the shower is to use Luxe Leave-In. This is a conditioning detangler. The greatest thing about this is it's like a hair mask with a high viscosity sprayer that you're going to mist all over to detangle your hair before you start styling.
I'm still kind of confused on how to use mousse. Like, how do you actually use it?
So true. Mousse can be confusing because there's different types. So Dream Big is a volumizing mousse. So this mousse is really cool because we actually put it on the root before we blow dry. With the Beachwaver blow brush, you get 4 different attachments. We're gonna start with the rough dry. I like to dry the hair about 80% before I do the blowout just to get the moisture out of the hair. And then we're gonna refine it with the smoothing brush and then the round brush. It also comes with a diffuser. So if you wanna change up your style, wear your hair curly that day, you can just swap out the diffuser. Then you place the smoothing brush on. Now, the cool thing about this is it has a flexible ceramic base, has 2 bristles on the side, and this allows us to really lift. We're gonna use the oval round brush attachment. There's double bristles on the outside and a nylon bristle in the middle. So you're gonna take each section. Now the key to getting a really good blowout, especially at the foundation, is to lift up and then roll down. Here's a hair hack for volume when you're doing a blowout. Take the Major Moan hairspray and spray it underneath each section. Then you're gonna set it for about 3 seconds. We're gonna release the blow brush and then we're gonna lock it in with a silver clip. Once you remove the clips, we're just gonna take a wide tooth comb and run it through. We're gonna get a gorgeous, voluminous blowout. You're gonna take your curtain bangs forward and then we're gonna split them to the side. This is Team Texture. It's a dry finishing spray that's gonna add instant volume. It's incredible because once you've styled your hair, it's gonna help maintain that style and last all night long.